Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete and unsubscribe a Google Calendar in just a few seconds. So let's say you created a calendar by mistake or you just don't need it anymore. Then you can either delete it if it's your own calendar, or you can unsubscribe if it's not your own calendar, but you don't want to see it anymore. So if you want to unsubscribe from a calendar, you can just click this cross right here, and the calendar is now removed from the list, and that's basically it if you want to unsubscribe. But if you want to delete your calendar, you need to click the three dots right here, then go to settings and sharing, and scroll down to the bottom, and you will see the delete option. And as you can see, the calendar will be permanently erased and nobody will be able to use it anymore. So I'm gonna delete it. It will give you a warning saying if you want to continue. I'm gonna delete it, and that's it. Now the calendar doesn't appear here and no one has access to it anymore. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.